Well, it's been a while since I did a video on the AP24 whitening toothpaste, and for a while there was just the fluoride version of the toothpaste. People were wondering, would there be a fluoride-free version? Good news, there is now a fluoride-free version. So you have the best of all worlds. You can either use the fluoride version, and you can order the fluoride version or the fluoride-free version. I just got my teeth cleaned last week, and I asked my hygienist if she noticed any coffee stains, and she said no, and that is a good sign. I will definitely say that the AP24 toothpaste obviously has helped because I am drinking coffee. I love the taste of the toothpaste, and I don't feel it's abrasive. Really, just it's got a great flavor to it, and I'm excited that there is a fluoride-free version because I prefer fluoride-free. And some people think that fluoride's a better way to go because of cavities, and some people feel it would be healthier not to have the fluoride in the toothpaste. In addition, by the way, when drinking coffee, one of the things that helps as well is I use these reusable straws, and I'll put a link where you can get more information. It's a silicone material. I've got here the blue and the brown, both the long and short version that's available. And so when I drink my coffee, I make sure to have a straw behind my teeth, which has helped. So the toothpaste, it really just, it's a nice, it's very smooth, kind of a silky taste, feel to it. And I love the taste. It really freshens your breath. And for me, I just have been so pleased as far as coffee stains. As far as whitening, I will say that it does help a little bit with the whitening. Some people will get better results than others depending upon how white your teeth are. But for me, where I've seen the biggest difference in helping me is to keep those coffee stains off my teeth. So just wanted to share that with you, give my honest feedback. I will put a link, by the way, where you could get this at a discount. So I'll put it where you can order either if you do 1 or 2 tubes, then you can get a discount, and then 2 or more, I'll put another discount there. And again, I'll put information on these straws as well. So if you are a coffee drinker, or even if you drink tea and other beverages and you do like straws, and also for your teeth, you have that there. So let me know if you have any questions, but that is my update. I'll put, when you click on the link, you'll be able to get more information on the toothpaste, and then you can order directly right from the website. All right, everybody, have a great day. Be healthy and enjoy the AP24 whitening toothpaste. Take care. Thanks for watching.